Okay, I'm just about ready to start on this bowl. This will be the bottom, this will be the top. My intent is to leave this really thin area as a rim. I might, maybe leave a half an inch thickness up here. We'll see how much of that's left when I get done. Obviously, I'm going to leave this sawn area, and I'll flatten this off and put a 10 NR mortise. I'm probably going to turn all of this away so there won't be this big scar right here. I have a nice knot right there. We'll see what that turns out to be. Okay, I've got my tenon in place. I'm going to leave a little ring right here, and hopefully that's big enough. I might have to go farther out to get it to be solid, but my intent is to curve this in like so it has a pretty, won't be a very big bowl, but it'll have a pretty good sized rim. So I've got this sanded, this area to 180, the turned areas with the 2-inch up to 320, and then I'm going to put this Watco tongue oil on. Yeah, you can definitely see bug tunnels that are filled with bug poop, I guess, and they're soft, but the finish absorbs and holds it all together. I wouldn't call it very hard, though. You can also see some fuzz here where the bark that I didn't remove is just a little tiny thin layer before it gets to the wood, and it frays easy. Well, I've turned this around now. I've got one coat of finish on the back. I'm going to put another coat on before I actually start working on this side. So I'll be doing something a little bit later. And then this side I'm dishing out, and I'm trying to decide whether this is 2.5 inches from here to that metal. But it's like 4 inches to here. So I either have 1.5 inches of shelf here, or I machine this down farther, so this will then be down farther, or out farther. So we'll see how that goes. I have to drill the hole for my wooden nickel, and then I'll be pretty much done with this. Okay, here's my latest Spalted Oak Bowl. It's got multiple colors. I decided to machine this where this surface right here is pretty much unmachined. It's sawed by the bandsaw when I split this from the other bowl that I made just a little while ago. But I decided not to do anything on that surface. So there's a bowl that I machined, and then there's the sloped bottom that I also shaped. But overall, it's got a lot of features that were there when I started, and very little bowl machining. It's about 10 to 11 inches long, 5 inches wide, 2.5 inches tall. It finishes tongue oil, yes. And I just finished it a day or so ago. I wanted to just stick this guy in there. This and this are the same, from the same piece of wood. That would fit just like that. And they look so different, even though they came from opposite sides of the same wood.
If you like what you see, please like and subscribe for more similar wood turning videos. Please comment on the video and I should respond. If you want to be notified when my next video comes out, then click the bell. I make a video about once a week.